All right, in topic 9-3, we're actually going to use multiplication to divide. And I will explain that. We're going to divide a whole number by a unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction that has 1 in the denominator. Unit meaning 1, no matter what the denominator is. So go ahead and push pause and write down these 6 problems. Okay, now let's look at the first one. 3 divided by 1/4. Now how are you going to use multiplication and divide? Go ahead and push pause and see what kind of answer you get. All right, so we have 3 divided by 1/4. Now, just as there were 3 steps in dividing a decimal, there's 3 steps in dividing a fraction or a mixed number. Always use the golden rule. First thing, automatically, change all whole numbers and or mixed numbers into improper fractions. Well, here we have a whole number. So, let's make it a whole number. Now, the first step is to leave the first fraction alone. Second, change. Sorry for my spelling. Change division into multiplication. And then the third step is to flip, meaning multiply the second fraction by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. So we're actually changing it to make it multiplication. Now let's use the multiplication 2 steps. Can we cross factor? Nope. Then multiply straight across. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. What is 12/1 or 12 divided by 1? It is 12. So in other words, if we had 3 whole things, how many 1/4 will there be? There would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you get that? If you did, great job.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones at El Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
All right, let's go to the second problem. Go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 1 divided by 9. That's the unit fraction. So, let's do the golden rule. Leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So, can we cross factor? Nope. Can we multiply straight across? Well, of course. 4 times 9 is 36. 1 times 1 is 1. And 36 divided by 1 is 36. Circle your answer. Again, if we had 4 whole things, now I'm not going to do this for every problem, And I divided these into 9. How many 1/9 would there be? Well, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Did you get that? Awesome.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
All right, let's try this. 5 divided by 1/6, the unit fraction 1/6. Go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with. All right, so we have 5 divided by 1/6. Golden rule. Change all whole numbers to improper fractions. So we leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip. Multiply the second fraction by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/6 is 6/1. Now, let's follow the 2 steps for multiplication. Can we cross factor? Nope. So then we go to the second one. Multiply straight across. 5 times 6 is 30. And 1 times 1 is 1. 30 divided by 1 is 30. So there are 30 1/6 and 5 whole things. If you got that, great job.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
All right. On the 4th problem, go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with 3 divided by 1/3. All right, so we have 3 divided by 1/3. All right, let's do the golden rule. Change all whole numbers and or improper fractions into, change all whole numbers or mixed numbers into improper fraction. Leave the first fraction alone. Change division to multiplication. And multiply the second number by its reciprocal, which means to flip. Now, can we cross factor? Nope. So then we multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. And 9 divided by 1 is 9. So, there are 9 1/3 and 3 whole things. If you got that, great job.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
All right, let's go to the 5th problem. 2 divided by 1/12. Go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with. All right, so we have 2 divided by 1/12. Do the golden rule. We leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. Now, can we cross factor the first step in multiplying? No. So then we go to the second one, which is multiply straight across. 2 times 12 is 24. 1 times 1 is 1, which equals 24. So there are 24 1/12 and 2 whole things. So in other words, if I were to make 2 whole things and split this up into 12, how many 1/12 are in here? There are 12. And how many 1/12 are in here? 12. Altogether, there's 24. If you got that, awesome.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
All right, go ahead and try this last problem. See what you get. Push pause. All right, so we have 3 divided by 1/6. Do the golden rule. Leave this fraction alone. Change division to multiplication. And flip, multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 6/1/6 is 6 over 1. Can we cross factor? Nope. Then we need to multiply straight across. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 times 1 is 1. 18 over 1 is 18, or 18 divided by 1 is 18. So there are 18 1/6 and 3 whole things. If you got that, great job. And I hope you understand how to use multiplication when we are actually dividing. All right, I shall see you tomorrow.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.